did nothing. So happy to be back in Korea. Hi guys, so I'm going to Korea tomorrow morning and I didn't pack yet. Well, I kind of started, but like there's so much I need to figure out. Korea is really cold right now. I would say like 10-15 degrees colder than New York City. I'm gonna try to bring a lot of layers, and my room is really messy too because I just started packing. But I'm also trying not to pack too much because I'm probably gonna shop a lot. Not a lot, just a little. I know I went to Korea already in April, but I don't know why. It feels like I haven't gone to Korea in so long. I did nothing and I'm already exhausted. I hate packing so much. Friend just came over and dropped this off for my flight tomorrow. This is so cute. I'm at the airport now, just past security. Kind of got a little hungry, so this cup ramen was $5, but it's normally like $1. Oh my god, it looks so bad. Is it just me, or does ramen taste better when you're traveling? flight lasted forever. Now I'm just waiting for the K limousine bus that's supposed to take me straight to the hotel. I kind of regret putting on this jacket. I'm like sweating right now. I look so bad. I finally made it to my hotel. Usually when I come to Korea, I stay with my parents. But this time we decided to stay at a hotel in Seoul for a week. And then I'll be going to Busan for the weekend and then going to my parents' house for the last week. I'm staying at the Lotte Hotel in Seoul, which is in Myeongdong. I think it's a really good location because it's in the middle of everywhere. I don't know what I'm gonna eat, but I just want to get something really quick and then just shower and wind down because tomorrow I'm probably gonna be out all day. And then I have a full work week ahead of me. So that means I do have to work until around 2-3 a.m. Korea time, match the EST time zone. So yeah. I just got back from the 편의점. To be honest, I'm not that hungry, but I did really want a drink. And I've seen these drinks all over TikTok, and surprisingly, I never had these when I came to Korea, so I got the peach flavored drink. I got it mostly because of the packaging. And it comes with this huge cup filled with ice. I got this triangle kimbap. I also never know how to open these correctly. So I am alone right now, but my brother and my sister are actually at the G.O.D concert. And I couldn't go because I landed right when the concert started today. And to be honest, I don't really remember a lot of G.O.D songs. Back when I was younger, I used to listen to mostly Shinhwa or 동방신기. Anyways, I'm just gonna eat this, shower, clean up a little bit, wait for them to get back, and then just knock out. See you in the morning.
일단 모이는 차 잡고 다니면서 일단 저희 처음부터 체킹하면 안 돼. 뭐 있는지?
So we came to Myeongdong for some street food. There's so many options here. 그렇다고 쭈그리고 먹어?
아무튼 윤계상 엄마?
반승분. 아, 맛있다.
View nice?
Yeah.
What's the view?
Buildings. Welcome to day 2 of my Seoul vlog. I think we're gonna eat at one of my favorite restaurants for lunch called 닭한마리. It's like a nice hearty chicken dish that's perfect right now because it's so cold. And we'll probably spend the rest of the day just shopping. So happy to be back in Korea. We came to the restaurant now. Restaurant actually came out in one of the Korean variety shows. Now we're gonna go to one of my favorite cafes in ikseon-dong called Beer Toast House. It's really cute in there. We're here. It's so cute. They have little tumblers. at the bottle. Gosh, I look bald. 이렇게 있으니까 대머리 같아. 빼놔야지.
마스크 좀 치워봐.
오, strawberry souffle and French toast. We came to COEX Mall now. I haven't been here in years, so I'm pretty excited. Wow, I only saw this on Instagram. This mall is so pretty. So we were gonna go to our dinner place, but we realized once we got there that the place was actually closed. So check the times, people, because usually on Sundays and Mondays, restaurants close pretty early and it's only like 8 o'clock. So now I think we're just gonna order some fried chicken and head back to our hotel because we're pretty tired and we walked around a lot. And I also have to work tonight, so yeah. Which is why I'm drinking coffee.
얘네.
I'm scared.
에서 마약 만드는
아니야, 그 장기 내내.
약.
아, 뭔가 튀어나올 것 같아. 어우씨. There's something inside. We walked a total of... I'm tired.